If you're new, press. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to JASMY video update today. I'm still waiting for my oversold maybe entry opportunities, and this RSI oversold is one of the best oversold levels that I've seen in a while, and that's actually down to 21.11. If JASMY ever makes it down to 21.11, oh my goodness, this is my absolute favorite place to enter and maybe place a bid once again. I don't know, whatever the prices are here, it could be that it comes down like this, you know, to 2731, and in here you make this double bottom, huge double bottom. If it was to happen, of course it's not happening like this, but just my own opinion. And this one comes on the RSI. You make one support here, you make a double bottom here. What else do you need, you know? And in the future, go up, back, boom, break above here, and then continue to the upside. That would be amazing. Actually, that would be really healthy as well. So what I do have to tell you, unfortunately, is a pattern on the daily. Now if you look on the daily time frame, I'm going to remove some of these candles. Is you've made a series of red, and you've also lost a support right over here. So if you look at this support, you have support number 1, number 2, loss of support, bearish closing, went for the retest, you're getting rejected here. Not only did you get rejected, but if you notice, you have this bear flag being made at the moment for JASMY. So technically you should be looking for JASMY to go from there to there, and it's actually looking to come down to nearly 4,837, and that's going to be a drop of nearly 18-19%. It is what it is at the moment. Be careful. And I've talked about JASMY even before that, you know, I'm not feeling that it's a good idea to trade ever since we had a loss of a trend line. So number one, you can already see the signs are there. It's not even me. Just look at what the charts are saying. If you're interested in technical analysis, if you're interested in something else and news and this and that, don't even watch technical analysis videos in the first place. Just go and watch the news, please. And from here, we talked about, you know, touch number 1, touch number 2, touch number 3, loss of a trend line. This is where I told you, be careful. I'm not going to trade. Close my trades here. And it has been down. I'm looking for more continuations down. Number 1 sign I told you. Number 2 sign that I told you is we had a bearish divergence, and that was making these higher highs right there, and then followed by lower highs on the RSI. That was a very clear bearish divergence on the daily, and I've told you that this is not good for me. So basically the RSI is something that I'm really looking forward to, and I'm looking for, if it does come down here to the oversold level down here, that would be amazing for me personally. And that's it for this video, JASMY. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.